Have you ever pulled a frozen dinner out of the freezer, pop it in the microwave, and end up with some parts piping hot while other parts are still frozen? It's frustrating, time-consuming, and honestly, it shouldn't be that hard to get a simple meal evenly heated. That's exactly where the Black+Decker Digital Microwave Oven with Turntable comes in. A small, 0.7 cubic foot stainless steel microwave designed to make everyday cooking effortless, especially if you're juggling a busy schedule, a small kitchen, or just don't want to fuss with complicated appliances. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is how sleek it looks. The stainless steel finish gives it a modern, professional vibe without feeling oversized or out of place on a countertop. At 17 inches wide and just over 10 inches tall, it fits neatly in small apartments, dorms, or even a secondary kitchen setup. The push-button door feels sturdy, the digital display is crisp and easy to read, and the interior light makes it easy to monitor cooking progress. Even the glass turntable is removable, which makes cleaning a breeze. And trust me, nobody likes scrubbing food splatters in a cramped microwave. Now, let's talk about everyday performance. This is a 700-watt microwave with 10 power levels, so it's not the most powerful model on the market, but it's more than capable for reheating leftovers, cooking frozen meals, or even making a quick bowl of popcorn. The real game changer here is the 6 pre-programmed cooking buttons for popular items like popcorn, pizza, potatoes, beverages, frozen vegetables, and dinner plates. You literally press a button, and the microwave adjusts cooking time and power automatically. No guesswork, no trial and error, just consistent results. Thawing frozen items is surprisingly simple, too. With the time defrost or weight defrost functions, you can defrost meats or casseroles evenly without starting to cook them by accident. For quick meals, the 30-second express cooking feature is perfect when you need a little heat boost. And thanks to the LED display, you can keep track of cooking time, use it as a kitchen timer, or even glance at the clock while you prep other parts of your meal. Of course, no product is perfect. While the 700-watt power is enough for most day-to-day tasks, it may take a bit longer than higher wattage models for dense foods or larger portions. The interior space is decent for 1 to 2 servings, but won't accommodate larger family-sized dishes. That said, if you're cooking for 1, 2, or a small household, the size and features are actually perfect, compact, functional, and straightforward. The child safety lock is an extra reassurance if you have little ones at home, though it's something you may not need in a single adult household. Compared to other microwaves in the same price range, the Black+Decker Digital Microwave stands out for its simplicity and reliability. It doesn't try to do everything under the sun. No convection or air fry gimmicks, but what it does well. Competitors at a similar price point might offer slightly more power or a bigger interior, but you often lose ease of use or a clean, intuitive interface. In my experience, for a practical, everyday microwave that's easy to operate, easy to clean, and consistently reliable, this model holds its own. So who is this microwave for? It's ideal for students, busy professionals, small families, or anyone looking for a no-fuss appliance that just works. If you regularly cook large meals, want the fastest possible power, or need a huge interior, you might look elsewhere. Otherwise, the Black+Decker Digital Microwave is a solid, affordable choice that solves the common frustrations of uneven heating, complicated controls, and hard-to-clean interiors. If you're tired of guessing cook times, dealing with unevenly heated meals, or just want a sleek, reliable countertop companion, this microwave is worth checking out. Hit the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and ring the bell to catch new videos each week, because your kitchen deserves tools that actually make life easier.